All right, this is our transmission of power lab here at Dunwoody. This lab is utilized in a lot of different courses, particularly our auto-guided vehicles course, our fluids course. We do some work in here as well. Let's walk in here and show it off a little bit. So in our transmission of power lab, what we actually have is we have a bunch of training systems like you see here. These are stored up in these cabinets. The boards actually slide in on end, and then they're stored in here. You might be able to get a little better example looking at one where they're actually stored in here. But there's 10 workstations in the lab where students can work on these systems. And in this particular case, what you would see, let me see if I can fire this one up maybe even here. Plug it in, and we have air. Looks like we have air. We got power. If you look over here, you'll see that we may have something like a 4-way, 2-position solenoid that's driving this cylinder back and forth. We also can do things with manual controls, fluid power, but again, it allows our students a hands-on opportunity to play with fluid power. We can do similar things with our with gears and belts and chains and drives. Two-year students do a little bit more of this, but our engineering technology students too still get access to this. The other thing that this lab is utilized for quite a bit is the course we teach on AGVs. So we have 12 of these auto-guided vehicles that are set up, and these vehicles are set up to operate both using an AGV technology like magnetic strip. So you'll see on the floors, you'll see magnetic strips, and these AGVs would follow those magnetic strips, kind of like if you were in a plant and there was an automated tug or forklift that was moving material from one end of the plant to the other. We also do machine vision with these AGVs as well. So we have QR code targets. This one doesn't have a camera on it right now, but we have QR code targets that you'll see. They're not really QR codes, but they're codes. They're fiducial codes that we use to navigate around the room and actually drive these AGVs around. You'll even see some reflectors over there that we've used as well for navigating these AGVs around the room. So that's part of our auto-guided vehicles class. Also, again, transition of power, fluids, many of those things happen in this lab.